I'm not seeing any blank spots or dead trees.
No.
And the power lines dictate some of that. You think it was more alkali under the power lines?
Yes.
Is there some type
There
of...
was spots like, if you take a drone and you looked up on the sky and you look down, you could really see it.
Maybe it's a different soil.
Yeah, all different. We had a hard time growing alfalfa. That's all we ever grew out here was alfalfa. And when we first moved in, we had a lot of cotton gin crap that they grew out here.
Have you ever seen earthworms in the soil out here?
No, not till after we started putting the MultiFIX in these areas.
And what's happening?
Green. Remember that last year you come by, it was all green like that before? You never see that out here. The pH was so high, I think it was like close to 11 when we come out here, so we tried to throw some sulfur at it too, but it has since dropped down, got it back to around 8.
So back to the earthworms, you see it around where...
just around the water areas.
Where you apply the were they there prior to?
No, there's no way.
So what do you attribute the earthworms rehabilitate?
Must have been some microbes coming back to life, or maybe multiplying and getting some worms back in there. The guy's looking very beautiful.
But the leaves are dark green. What do they feel like to you?
Nice and thick.
Thick leaf also.
Yeah, real thick.
Have you ever run a sugar test on the leaves? I'm just fascinated. The thickness of the leaves, the size of the leaves, the photosynthesis, the earthworm story. I've been on quite a few fields,